City Subway. Take that moment with your pencil to circle the three dynamics. Notice that this song is just for right hand. Look at the technique warm up and do this each day. It's really good. Silently play City Subway on the closed keyboard cover with firm fingertips. It's actually not silent. You're going to make a little knock. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 as you do this. And anytime you play on a hard surface, it's a really nice time to work finger independence, which is an important element of our technique overall. So do that each day. Say finger numbers aloud. That's a great trick also. Now, the warm-up, the technique secret warm-up is making O's. We first did this with Tune Up with Seconds. So I'll do a little link up at the top of the video so you can head over to Tune Up with Seconds to refresh. If you don't need the refresher, make sure you still do the warm-up. 1, 2, 3, 4.